Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the Red Fox Outdoors channel. Welcome back to another video, and welcome to the Fox Brigade. So today I'm going to be covering the EDC and what I carry on my person every day. So I've also had people ask me questions about what I carry from day to day. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first things first is my MDC military quartz watch in OD green. You will see a reoccurring theme here. Pretty much everything I carry is going to be either OD green or black for the most part. Kind of my colors is kind of what I do. So that's my military quartz watch, nothing special, just a normal everyday watch. No extra fluff, no extra button like that. An OD green watch with an OD green strap. Alright, next is my case that my Civivi Elementum pocket knife came in. Now I don't normally carry this a knife in here, so the pouch that I did was I took and actually put my reading glasses in. There's a stropping cloth for the knife blade or a lens cleaning cloth or whatever. You can use either or, but I use it as a cleaning cloth. That is my glass. Next thing I carry is my little pocket organizer here, and basically it has a little Fisher Space Pen bullet, flashlight, Victorinox, Swiss Army knife, and a Bic lighter. All that gets carried in my pocket, goes in this nice little organizer. See, it's all leather. Flashlight comes off, has a little belt clip on it. You either put it in your pocket, it's small enough you can put it in your pocket, or you can take it and attach it to your hat for hands-free use. It has 3 modes. Got a high, low, and strobe. Then the Fisher Space Pen bullet. Tiny, it's small. Then you pull it apart. Comes a regular size pen. You can write in the rain with it. You can write upside down with it. You can pretty much use this just about anywhere. Hold it right back up and it becomes this tiny pen again. Next is the Victorinox Swiss Army knife. Has the 2 blades, 2 screwdrivers, bottle openers, and all down here on the bottom. Phillips screwdriver, tweezers, and your toothpick like normal. Get out of here. Bic lighter. Use it to get a fire started. Use it to burn the paracord ends. I use it for like rope or whatever. Flashlight goes back on there, and that is my little pocket carry. That's a little pocket organizer. It goes in my pocket. Okay, next is my paracord bracelets. I have 2 different types. There's probably close to 50 or 75 feet of cord between the 2 of them. Next is my Spyderco Tenacious in OD green. Scales, got the OD paracord. Spidey flick with it. Nice little knife. It's carried in my pocket. Next is my Carmex chapstick in a copper case. Basically, it's just a piece of copper pipe with a copper pipe lid. And I took the Carmex and took the lid and glued it into pipe lid. Here, I keep some duct tape around the outside edge of it. Duct tape's useful for a lot of different things. And then the pipe just slides back up onto Carmex, my pocket. Next is my keychain, OD green paracord, pocket clip, or the belt clip, whatever you want to call it. Has the bottle opener, can opener here, your screwdriver, bottle opener, hex head. These go on. Next is my United States Navy challenge coin, which I got from my cousin. And basically he calls me and challenges me to do better each day in my life, keep each other accountable. And he calls and talks to me, I call and talk to him, kind of see how things are going in life. And that's a challenge coin. Every time I look at it, it challenges me to do better. Next is the B52 Boy Scout can opener. The blade flips down on it. Carry this in my pocket. Can't tell you how many times I've had to use this while I was at work. Normally people will buy the little their food or raviolis or spaghettios or whatever, got the little pop top on them. Well, one day this guy got one and didn't have a way to open it, so I had this in my pocket and opened up his can of food for him at work. Next is a pair of fingernail clippers, fingernail nippers, whatever you want to call them. Great for cutting string. You can cut some paracord, or you can cut fishing line, or cut a hook off a line, or whatever. Those. Next is my wallet by APT9, a RFID blocking wallet in black leather. Single fold, not a trifold, just a fold front pocket. Fairly thin. I mean, it looks kind of bulky, but it's really not. It's actually really thin. Has my wallet and all my credit cards and my driver's license here. I do carry straight up cash pretty much, just because a lot of places that I go will take cash if their credit card machines are down or whatever, so that goes with me. Next is another Right in the Rain pad, of course in OD green, as you can tell, kind of the ongoing theme here. And I just use it to like take notes and stuff on. You can see here I've taken quite a bit of notes in it. Next is my OD green shemagh. A great little item to have. Now this thing has a ton of different uses for it. You can use it to filter water, use it as a head covering, you can use it around your neck to keep your neck cool, use it to get a fire started. You can just tear off a piece of the cloth or whatever to help get a fire started. So shemagh is always a great thing to have. Keep this. Normally I carry it in my vehicle with me, or I'll just carry it on my person. Carry it from the truck to the house, to the house to the truck. If I go camping or whatever, this thing is. Alright, so the next thing I have is the Mexpedition Small pouch. Has the hook and loop morale patch on the front. As you can see, it says come and take it. I am a big into guns and CPUs and that kind of thing. It does have the straps in the back for hooking to mollywebbing to pouch or a pack or whatever. I don't have anything in the front pocket here. It's just empty, nothing there. Now on the inside, I don't spill everything out of here, stuff like that. An idea of what's here. I'll pull everything out of here one by one. All right, so carry a normal Sharpie, a normal medium point Sharpie to write with, give people notes, take notes with, whatever Sharpie to take notes with. Next thing is my USB charging cord for my phone. Little charge plug I can plug in the wall. USB. Plug it up. Okay. Next is a Right in the Rain pin. A click pin. Click on, close. Right in the Rain. Write it on a Right in the Rain pad. Take notes on. Or the pages of the Right in the Rain pad are wax covered, so smear. Use a pencil, a pen, whatever. Great thing to have. Next is another fingernail clippers, nippers, whatever you call it, and a tiny, small little Bic lighter. Does work. I mainly use these for burning the ends of paracord bracelets, making my paracord bracelets, or keychains, or what have you. All for the back side. Now for the front side over here, I have my earbuds that go in the back pocket back here. All that goes in that pocket. And on the front here, the front webbing, got my T2 through night flashlight, twist on, twist off, one brightness, little bitty as you can see, pretty tiny compared to my hand. Next thing I have, my rubber multi-tool, spring loaded. Got your normal side little file, and it's got your screwdriver, saw blade, or braided blade, and then a screwdriver. Side over here, you got your normal blade, Phillips screwdriver, punch, and all, a bottle can opener. And last but not least is my Civivi Elementum pocket knife. It's not assisted, as you can see. Candy grind blade. Got a little pocket clip, you can carry it in your pocket or on a belt or whatever. Got the little paracord pull for pulling it out of your pocket. And that's pretty much it of my EDC, guys. That's what I carry every day. Is my everyday carry. Oh. And my EDC pouch made by Maxpedition Small. And that's everything that goes with me daily. That is my EDC. That's what I carry every day. So there you go, guys. That is my EDC. Now there may be some ideas that you can get that you can carry with you every day, and I hope that you do. You may carry something a little bit different than me. If you have any suggestions, be sure to put those down in the comments down below. What I will do is I will try and find some links to Amazon for some of the stuff that I do carry. So I'll put those links down in the description below. So thank you for joining me, guys. Thank you for being a part of the Fox Brigade. I've been Red Fox with Red Fox Outdoors. Until next time, see you guys. Bye.